What is going on, my friend? Garrett here. Chances are you're doing your research on the Legacy Builder program. Maybe you've been seeing the buzz about this program, seeing people posting they're getting results, and you're really smart enough to do your research and find out, is this right for you or should you stay clear? Well, you're in the right place. Like I said, I actually have invested my hard-earned money into this, and I've actually been getting some pretty cool results. I want to share with you that it's still pretty early today. It's only about 11 a.m. So I haven't had any sales so far today, but you can see yesterday I actually had $2,500. I had four different people buy from me inside of this program. And not only I'm going to share with you some results, not just on myself, as you can see, I'm actually going to go into the community right here, and I want to share with you some results of people just like you that actually made that decision to get started. A lot of these people I'm going to share with you results inside this video were brand new. They had never done anything like this before, but they got plugged in, they were coachable, and they followed the 2-hour workday. And not only am I going to share with you these results, towards the end of the video, I'm going to even share with you some bonus tips to really maximize your results and know exactly what you need to do if you do decide to get started. The last thing I'm going to share before I get into these incredible results from people, again, just like you, there's going to be a link directly below. At any point when you go to growwithgarrett.com, you put your best email in, and if you do decide to get started through me at the $600 or the $900 level with that one-time payment, I'm going to give you this totally free as a bonus for actually joining through me. This is 5 nights in a luxury hotel in Cancun, Mexico. The value is $1,294, and you're going to be able to stay in a luxury hotel totally free. Now, flight and taxes are not included, but everything else as far as staying in the hotel is. And again, I want to reward action takers. So let's go ahead and share with you some of these results. So you can see right here, Jenna. Now, Jenna has been doing online marketing for a while now. So this is a pretty big result. I don't want to, build this up where you come in with false expectations. But if you're someone that's willing to stick with us and actually follow the simple and proven game plan, many people report getting their very first sale, making their very first dollar online within their first 7 days. So you can see she actually, in one weekend, in 2 days, she had $9,900, okay, which is absolutely incredible. You can see Daryl right here, $900 ding. He woke up to $900. Okay, now the cool thing about this program is it's actually automated. So the only thing we have to actually do is get people going to our website that's already pre-done and created for you. That's your only job in your 2-hour workday. And a little bit later, I'll share more on exactly what you need to be doing to get results. So you can see right here, Taryn, my first $900 sale. I just upgraded Sunday, and after 2 days, I made my first $900 sale. I'm shocked. Unbelievable is what she says. This was posted 8 hours ago. Jimmy, 2 $900 dings on Tuesday. Very grateful. Okay, so Jimmy, I believe he's a baby boomer. Okay, so he's not very technical and he just follows the simple blueprint. Okay, you don't have to be some whiz at computers. You don't have to have any previous experience. You don't have to have a social media following, as you'll see as you keep watching. Lizelle right here, $2,400 day so far. Okay, so she's actually from South Africa and she was able to actually generate this. Okay, Ashley, $3,300 day. She's made $180,000 in 4 months. Okay, Emily right here, my own $100 ding. First sale, okay, $100 ding-a-ling, right? We say $100 ding. That's basically the sound of a notification on your phone when you get paid when someone buys one of these 100% profit products from you. Charlene right here, $300 while waiting to place my election vote today. Automations work. I'll just share a few more, guys, and then I want to get into exactly what you need to be doing on a daily basis, very, very simply and easily. Okay, another 600 bucks. Thank you, Jesus. And then I actually posted in here, I actually had a $8,800 week. Okay, you can see right here that I had this week come in, and we see all the massive support inside of our community. Okay, guys, so you're never left alone when you actually do this. So what are the steps? This is the simple 3-step process. Okay, there's 3 simple steps to daily pay. Number 1 is you're going to learn how to attract your perfect customers to you. Okay, you don't have to get on the phone to sell. You don't have to do any prospecting conversations. You're not going to have to cold message anyone. All we're going to do is teach you how to do something called attraction marketing, how to attract people to you ready and eager to decide to buy. Now, there's two methods we teach you. So we have full training inside of the community. We even have live training. So inside of the community that you can see is close to 20,000 members right here. If you go into the calendar, we actually have live training almost every single day, okay, on tips and different methods to get daily paying customers. Now, the two main ways we're going to teach you are totally free. And number one is posting ads on high traffic websites. So we're actually going to give you a list of over 200 websites. You can go post ads on there, advertisements for free. And that's going to start to generate interested people asking you for information. The second thing we'll teach you is exactly how to post 3 pieces of content per day. And you post this on social media. You can do Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube. It does not matter. You choose whatever social media platform you enjoy the most. And we're going to share with you exactly how to post content, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have a following, that will start to attract people to you, asking you for information. So they may comment on one of your posts. They may respond to one of your Instagram stories, asking you, how does this work? What is this product? Can I see more information? And then all you have to do is send people to your link. Now, steps 2 and steps 3 that I'll break down very quickly in this video are done for you. Your only job in your 2-hour workday is doing these 2 things: posting ads, posting content, and actually the one other thing is sending people to your link. So if people respond to that content, respond to those ads, you send people the link to your website. Now, we will give you a done-for-you automated system that will follow up and convert those leads, those people asking you for information, into sales. And the way it works is this. Basically, the website you'll get access to is going to have a box where someone can put their email in. Then when someone puts their email in, they'll get redirected to our sales page where you can have your own payment methods on there, whether you want to get paid through PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe. You will have your own payment methods attached to your own website, which we call a sales page. And often people will decide to buy right away. There's 4 levels: $100, a $300, a $600, and $900 level, and they're all just one-time payments. Now, when one of your prospects decides to buy through your website, you get that money into a Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, or Payoneer. And then you can just withdraw that into a bank account. Now, let's say someone does not decide to buy right away. Let's say someone does not see one of your content pieces in front of them, feel a strong urge to make an instant purchase. What happens is they get added to an email list that you own that will start having these pre-built email messages following up with those leads, sending them back to the sales page, working to convert them over time. And then what's going to happen is when people are ready to decide to buy, when people are ready to make a purchase, they'll go to this page and decide to buy. This is literally all I do to generate these results. This is literally all these people did, okay, to generate massive results on a daily basis. You can see right here, $400, okay, $900 ding, et cetera, first sale, etc. Now, it's really that simple, okay? So all you have to really do if you're watching this is just go to the link below, put your best email into my capture page, into my website, and I will send you all the information, as well as you'll get taken to my sales page or my website. You'll know it's mine, by the way, so you can access this bonus limited time offer because you'll see my photo here and my name, Garrett Berry. And then all you have to do is go down here, choose one of the 4 levels. Again, there's a 900, a 600, a 300, or 100. The $900 level is the most popular because you earn the most. We earn money at the level we join and below. That's why you don't really want to join at just the $100 level if you want to make the most amount of money, because you'll only get paid $100. Most people join at the $900 level because they unlock all the levels, all the training, and all the earning ability. When you're ready, you just click this button and you'll get taken to this page here. Fill out your information, put your debit or credit card, agree to the terms, and then buy now. Now, the only last thing is a $29 website fee that you'll get taken to after you decide to buy at whatever level you want. That goes to the website creator. That does not go to me. And then you'll be completely done. You do not have any monthly fees. There's no hidden fees. It's very, very simple. Okay? Now, the last thing I want to share with you is if you're actually in the United States and you can't afford to go all in at the $900, you can use the payment plan to actually break that up. All you have to do is click here and you will get taken to this page here. Now, I'm actually located in Spain right now, Barcelona. I'm traveling, but you will, if you're in the United States, you will have something called Klarna appear on that page. You can select that and then break up the payment so you can start earning. And yes, you can start earning at the $900 level, even if you're still paying it off. This is incredibly simple, guys. If you have any questions, be sure you comment them on this video. I would love to answer that for you. This is an amazing program. I highly recommend it, and I would love to see you inside as well. Thank you so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you hopefully inside the community.